Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily export a mermaid diagram to a PDF, PNG, or SVG. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to grab my mermaid code here in ChatGPT, and then I'm going to go over to mermaideditor.io and paste this into the editor, and we can see that there are some syntax errors. I can fix those with this Fix with AI button. All right, and now we can see our chart. We can go over to export, and then up here we have a selection of different file formats that we can export to. So we can choose PDF, we can choose the size of the PDF, the print quality, and the background color. And then we can also select our own color if we want to match, say, the diagram background. And then we can select padding as well, and export. There we go. And now that we have done that, we can also do other things, such as we could go to My Charts, and then we could have our chart saved there, so I can come back. I can also modify the theme if I want a different aesthetic for the chart. Or maybe for print you want something a little lighter. And then you can also go deeper into the theme. You can change typography and the background color. And then here we have the actual node color, so you can have more fine control on changing some of the styling of the diagram. So I'll keep this video short. That is how you can export. And if you don't need to log in, but if you do, then your charts get saved to the cloud, so they'll persist longer, and then you can view them later. So I'll keep this video short. Thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.